Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, Sizzla has been hospitalized due to a motorcycle accident that had happened over the weekend. Now, this accident that had happened on the Mona Road that is in St. Andrew, Jamaica, it is said that it has left the entertainer with a broken ankle, and it is said that it has been broken in a few places. Now, this that had happened raises some concerns from his fans. And I'm going to tell you some of the things that has been said on social media, but bear in mind that I am telling you as to how I understand it, and it is not exactly word for word as to how it has been said on social media. Alright? Now, some people on social media, they are saying, I hope you get well soon, but please leave the motorcycle world alone. You are a big man, leave it for the younger youths. Some people are even talking about an accident that had happened where Sizzla got hit off his motorcycle in 2011, right? And that had happened in Sentan, viewers and subscribers. And there is other things that has been said by his fans, but mostly they are wishing him the best and the speedy recovery, and they are asking him to leave the motorcycle world alone. You know what I mean? Now, with this that had happened, it resulted in the artist having to cancel some of his upcoming shows. Now, based on some of the things that has been said on social media, you can see that a lot of people is concerned about Sizzla's safety, right? When it comes down to the whole motorcycle riding, you know what I mean? They are concerned about his safety, and it would seem as if a lot of them want him to stop riding the motorcycle. Alright, viewers and subscribers, yeah. So, Sizzla big up yourself anywhere you're there. You see me I say? I wish you nothing but the best and the speediest of recovery. Alright? Yeah. And viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Alright? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself. You see it?